What if we told you Samsung might just have the inside scoop on Apple's future products? Now that's a sentence you don't hear every day. But in a surprising twist of events, we've come across a roadmap leaked by none other than Samsung Securities. Yes, that's right, the financial services arm of the South Korean tech giant has seemingly charted out Apple's course for the next few years. Now, before we dive into the details, let's talk a little about the source. Samsung Securities is part of one of the world's largest tech conglomerates. They've got a vested interest in understanding the movements of Apple, the world's biggest tech company, so it's reasonable to assume they've done their homework. However, as intriguing as these predictions are, remember they are just that, predictions. They add weight to existing rumors, but aren't a guarantee of what's to come. The roadmap kicks off in 2023. It might seem a tad outdated, or perhaps the creators wanted to chalk up some easy victories. The predictions for this year include some exciting upgrades for the iPhone 15 Pro, like an 8GB RAM upgrade. They also mention the iPhone 15 Pro Max, hinting at a 5x periscope zoom upgrade and a new titanium body. But the star of the show for 2023, according to Samsung, is the Vision Pro. This device is rumored to be equipped with dual M2/R1 chipsets, micro-LED displays, and eye-tracking cameras. Sounds like a game changer, doesn't it? So what's next on the roadmap? Let's delve deeper into the future. We've got a lot of ground to cover, from iPads with OLED displays to the first foldable iPhone. The future of Apple, according to Samsung, is looking quite exciting. Fast forward to 2024, and the roadmap gets even more exciting. Samsung Securities predicts that Apple will be making waves with some significant launches and upgrades. If these forecasts hold true, we can expect to see 11-inch and 13-inch iPads with OLED displays. These are rumored to be iPad Pro OLED models, specifically, which, if true, would certainly be a game changer. Now, let's talk about the iPhone. According to the roadmap, both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max models are set to receive major upgrades. We're talking larger displays and 5x periscope cameras. Just imagine the kind of photos you'll be able to capture with that kind of camera technology in your pocket. But what about the standard iPhone 16? Well, interestingly, there's no mention of it in the roadmap. Could it be that Apple is focusing more on their Pro and Pro Max models? Or perhaps the standard iPhone 16 will only receive limited upgrades? It's all speculation at this point, but it's certainly something to ponder. So, 2024 seems to be shaping up as a year of big leaps forward for Apple, at least according to Samsung Securities. We've got potentially revolutionary iPads and major upgrades to the iPhone Pro models on the horizon. But remember, these are just predictions. Only time will tell if they will come to fruition. But the innovation doesn't stop here. Let's see what 2025 has in store. As we step into 2025, the roadmap reveals some game-changing upgrades. The year kicks off with the launch of the iPhone SE 4, a device that is expected to turn heads and break records. This model is rumored to boast a 6.1-inch OLED display, a significant step up from its predecessors. But it's not just the size of the screen that's impressive. The quality and clarity of the display are set to reach new heights, providing users with an immersive and crystal-clear viewing experience, whether they're watching their favorite shows or scrolling through their photo albums. Along with the OLED display, the iPhone SE 4 is also anticipated to come equipped with a 48-megapixel camera. This is a major leap forward in mobile photography, promising to capture images that are sharper, more detailed, and more vibrant than ever before. This camera upgrade isn't just about more pixels though. It's about better pixels designed to capture more light and color, resulting in photos that are not only high resolution but also high quality. But that's not all. The year 2025 is also projected to witness the introduction of a revolutionary new display technology, the pole-less display. This is an upgraded OLED panel, designed and manufactured by Samsung. What makes this display so special? It's thinner, brighter, and more efficient than traditional OLED displays. The pole-less display is designed to offer a more vibrant and lifelike viewing experience, while also reducing energy consumption and extending battery life. So as you can see, 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for Apple, with the launch of the iPhone SE 4 and the introduction of the pole-less display technology. These innovations promise to elevate the user experience to new levels, setting new standards in the world of mobile technology. Hold on to your seats because 2026 is going to be a wild ride. The year 2026 is when Apple's innovation truly unfolds. quite literally. The anticipation is high as we inch closer to this pivotal year. Samsung's roadmap suggests that Apple will be introducing its first foldable iPhone, a game-changing move that could revolutionize the smartphone industry. The roadmap hints at a book-style foldable iPhone, deviating from the flip-style foldable many have expected. But the foldable iPhone isn't the only thing to look forward to. Samsung Securities also anticipates a cheaper XR headset to succeed the Vision Pro, making immersive experiences more accessible to a wider audience. New OLED iPads are also on the horizon, including iPad Air and iPad mini models. Apple's beloved MacBooks aren't left behind either, with the first OLED MacBooks expected to enter the scene. The roadmap also suggests that Apple will be adopting Samsung's LLW DRAM, a faster and more efficient memory technology that could significantly enhance the performance of Apple's devices. An infrared sensor panel is also mentioned, though its exact purpose remains a bit of a mystery. As we turn the page to 2027, the predictions become even more exciting. Samsung Securities forecasts that Apple will produce its first AR glasses equipped with 1.4-inch RGD micro-OLED or micro-LED displays. This would mark a significant step forward in Apple's venture into augmented reality. But the surprises don't stop there. Also anticipated for 2027 is a 20-inch foldable iPad. This prediction seems to contradict earlier rumors that the foldable iPad would precede the foldable iPhone. Yet the prospect of such a device is intriguing and serves as a testament to Apple's pioneering spirit. As we look beyond 2027, the roadmap ends, leaving us in anticipation of what Apple might dream up next. From foldable devices to augmented reality glasses, the future of Apple looks both innovative and exciting. As always, Apple continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us in the years to come. So, what does this mean for Apple enthusiasts and the tech world at large? Well, if these predictions hold true, we're in for quite a ride. We're talking about major product launches, from a foldable iPhone to AR glasses, and even OLED iPads. This indicates that Apple is not only keeping up with the trends, but potentially setting new ones. The introduction of a foldable iPhone could revolutionize the smartphone industry, and the AR glasses could open up a whole new world of possibilities in the realm of augmented reality. On top of that, the anticipated OLED iPads and MacBooks could bring a new level of visual experience for users. It's also worth noting the potential upgrade in the iPhone's camera and display capabilities, which could set a new standard for smartphone technology. These predictions, if realized, could significantly impact Apple's position in the tech industry, possibly solidifying its place as a leading innovator. It shows that Apple is not resting on its laurels, but continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. While these are just predictions, they provide a tantalizing glimpse into what the future of Apple might hold. Stay tuned for more updates on the tech world's most eagerly anticipated launches.